Get ready, India. Because OPPO is set to shake up the budget smartphone market with the launch of the powerful and affordable OPPO K13 5G on April 21st, 2025, priced at under 20,000 Indian rupees, making it a highly attractive choice for value-focused users who crave performance without breaking the bank. This feature-packed device comes powered by the robust Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, which together deliver an Antutu score of over 790,000, signaling smooth multitasking and reliable gaming performance. To keep things cool under pressure, OPPO includes a massive 5700mm Superscript 2 vapor chamber and a 6000mm Superscript 2 graphite sheet, offering effective thermal control during heavy use, a thoughtful touch for power users. But the true star of the show is the giant 7,000 mAh battery, a rarity in this price segment, backed by 80W SuperVOOC charging that can juice up a device to 62% in just 30 minutes, with OPPO boldly claiming up to 5 years of battery health, ensuring long-term reliability. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display is another highlight, with a crisp 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1,200 nits. It promises vibrant visuals even under bright sunlight, making content consumption and gaming an absolute delight. On the camera front, the 50MP main sensor is enhanced by AI features like AI Clarity Enhancer and AI Unblur, ensuring clear, sharp images, ideal for photography enthusiasts on a budget. Gamers will also appreciate the exclusive antenna layout designed to reduce signal drops and AI Link Boost 2.0 for enhanced, uninterrupted connectivity, keeping you online in the most demanding scenarios. The experience is further elevated with stereo speakers for immersive audio, an IR blaster for added convenience, and the latest ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, which includes intelligent tools like Screen Translator and AI Writer, making the smartphone smarter than ever before. Coming in sleek icy purple and prism black color options, the OPPO K13 5G will be available on Flipkart, with full pricing and storage variants revealed at the launch. But early indications confirm that this phone is positioned as a budget champion. With a mix of premium specs, massive battery, fast charging, strong display, AI camera tech, and next-gen software, the OPPO K13 5G checks all the right boxes for users seeking performance and style without spending a fortune. So, if you're planning a smartphone upgrade or want a powerful second device, mark your calendars for April 21st and stay tuned, because OPPO might just deliver the best value phone of the year. For more updates on this and other cutting-edge tech launches, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse, your destination for the latest in smartphones, gadgets, and game-changing innovation.